Namaste. Welcome to Junior Tesla. In this episode of Junior Tesla, we are going to see Menelaus theorem. Menelaus is a Greek mathematician who lived around 100 AD, and his theorem says that if you have taken a triangle ABC and a line is drawn such that it will cut the three sides of the triangle in x, y and z respectively, then ax by xb into bz by zc into cy by ya is equal to 1. The theorem or the result looks quite complicated, but it is not a complicated result, it is a very simple result. Let me tell you how a line cuts the three sides of a triangle. Yes, if you have drawn a line, it will cut two sides of the triangle, that is evident, right? Here also it is cutting the two sides of the triangle at x and y. But how does it cut the third side? Only if you extend one of the third sides, then you will get to know that the line segment will cut the third side. Okay, so this is the line segment which is drawn in the green color, and it is cutting the triangle ABC in the three sides. Okay, so AB is cut at x, AC is cut at y, and BC is cut at z. Now this is you can see this only if you extend the side, third side BC. Now how do we prove this theorem? So to prove that, what I am going to do is I am going to add a small construction here. So I am going to take AB parallel to CM. So I am going to draw one line CM which is parallel to one of the sides AB. Okay, so CM is actually not there in the original theorem, it is only a construction. So that is why I have drawn in a different color. So CM is parallel to AB. Now once I have done that, I am going to see, or I am going to compare some similar triangles. Now there are a lot of similar triangles here. One of the pairs is XBZ and MCZ. So these two are similar triangles. Why? Because this third angle is common, angle Z is common for both the triangles, and this angle is equal to this angle because CM is parallel to AB or XB, right? So these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal, angle B and angle C are equal, and this angle is, third angle is common. So all the three angles are correspondingly equal, therefore we can say XBZ is similar to MCZ. So we got one pair of similar triangles. Now let us see what we can do with this. So we are going to take some ratio, for example here BZ divided by XB. Okay, so two sides BZ divided by XB is equal to corresponding sides CZ divided by CM or MC, right? So we got one ratio. Now we can just rearrange. So BZ divided by CZ is equal to XB divided by CM or MC. So we got one ratio here, one proportion here. Let us keep it aside. Now let us try to find another set of similar triangles. I have already drawn one small construction, right? MC is parallel to XB or AB. Now these two triangles are also similar. Why? Because these two are correspondingly opposite angles which are equal. Now this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because MC and AX, they are parallel to each other. So triangle AXY and triangle CMY, these two are similar triangles. So we got another set of similar triangles. Let us write some ratios again. So I am going to write CY by CM is equal to AY by AX. So CY divided by CM is equal to, now CY corresponding side is AY and CM corresponding side is AX. So that is why CY by CM is equal to AY by AX. Now again let us rearrange. So CY divided by AY is equal to CM divided by AX. So we got two proportions, proportion number 1, proportion number 2. Now let us take the original statement. Okay, Menelaus theorem's statement. It says AX by XB into BZ by ZC into CY by YA is equal to 1. Now let me write it as it is. Now in the place of BZ by ZC, what I can write is XB divided by MC, because BZ by ZC is equal to XB divided by MC. So I am using this proportion. Now I am replacing this ratio with this ratio. Okay, so I have written this XB divided by MC in the place of BZ divided by ZC. Now similarly CY divided by YA. Now this ratio is replaced by this Cm divided by Ax. So Cm by Ax. Now Ax and Ax they get cancelled. Okay. Now Xb and Xb they get cancelled, and Cm and Cm, Cm or Mc both are same because it is a length segment. So Cm and Cm they get cancelled. So all the numerators and denominators got cancelled to each other. Finally we are left with only 1, and that is why this entire expression is equal to 1. So remember, if you have taken a triangle, this need not be an equilateral triangle, this need not be isosceles triangle, this need not be right angle triangle. Some scalene triangle, if you have taken one scalene triangle and drawn one line which is cutting all the 3 sides, 2 sides internally and 1 side externally, okay, at 3 points x, y, z, then Ax divided by Xb into Bz divided by Zc into Cy divided by Ya is equal to 1. This is what Menelaus theorem all about. I hope you enjoyed this proof. Thank you very much.